In today's video, I'm going to show you the project that we made in Wednesday's VIP virtual internet party for those that finished their journals in June for the challenge. Just Favorite 15 Junk Journal Challenge. Stay tuned for the flip through and a look at this new digital kit available now in the Dear Julie Julie Etsy shop. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, it's Julie, and today here on Dear Julie Julie Junk Journal Every Day, I have the project from Wednesday's party for the June Just Favorite Junk Journal Challenge finishers, VIP. So the virtual internet party that we had on Wednesday, and we actually do have a virtual party, and we make a project out of the digital kit that I put together for the party. So this was Ladies in Waiting, and we made a Trifold Keep track thingy. So I guess somebody said a folio, but I did add a journal to it as well. So I've had people ask me about Happy Mail ideas and how to send Happy Mail. So this is an idea. It's using 3 of these really large envelopes. So they're like the large envelopes that you would get, privacy envelopes. And I had these in my stash. They were given to me by Joyce, and so I used those. And I do have a 5-hole pamphlet stitch holding the journal in here. I did make a spine for it, and so here we go. Well, I'm supposed to leave the paper clip on that. So this is the cover, and we have my favorite image from the journal kit. I put it on the cover. Everything in here, almost everything, is distressed. So yeah, so on Wednesday I distressed live in the morning for a couple hours, and then I distressed in the evening too. Yeah, it was a very stressful day. So I added some washi tape and some lace. I did make, this is a paper clip, and it has the 2 images, or the images of the 2 ladies. This is from, I think it's actually from her shirt, from something else from a cutoff. And then we have this little corner down here is decorated. So you open it up, and you'll see the journal is right here. And you open it this way, and you have places to put items for junk journal. But also at the same time, you are able to see the images of the new digital kit available now in the Dear Julie Julie Etsy shop. And yes, all of the digitals are still 50% off while we're home, safer at home. So brand new in the Etsy shop. Dear Julie Julie Etsy shop. So we have a pocket here, and it is holding 2 tags. Okay, so you can see all of these images are from the digital kit. The digital kit has a mini journal kit in it, and it has the mini journal ephemera, so we're able to do those. Here we have 1 decorated tag and 1 tag to be decorated. And so if it was for Happy Mail, you might decorate both tags. We have a side-to-side slit pocket, so diagonal pocket there. We have a border here that is covering up where the envelope would be open. And in this little tuck space, we have these 2 journal cards. Instead of putting them on straight, I put them on crooked. Added some of the washi tape and some of the bling. So, and they're just in there peeking out. Then we opened this side of the envelope, and made it look like the envelope. And so all of this was done in that video, and it was at the party. So here we have a wallet style holder for journal cards. This did not get distressed. And then some of the images from the digital kit, some extra images. You could also put paper in this and make it be another note paper, but again, you can see all these images in all these different sizes. These are from the wallets. These are from the tags. There's 3 or 4 tag pages in this kit. So I did put some washi down. I'm going to have to glue it, but I put some washi down for the spine. So you go ahead and open this way, and you have a small journal here with some more of the images. This is from the tags, the large tags. This is from the postcard. So you get a postcard, couple postcard pages. We have our signature ties, and I added the little tiny images from the mini ephemera page and a love charm. Some music paper here. The other side of the postcard. And another side. This is from one of the large tags. And this is the other side of the other postcard. And there's our other large tag image. Okay, so over here we have a large tag image, and it's being held on by this packaging that I made for paper clips. Okay, so these are the paper clips, and so I made packaging for them. So I was looking at them. We made 2 paper clips and used the little punch to put the paper clips through. Somebody suggested you might use an earring tag for that. So this was, I was trying to show you ideas, or show them at the party, those that finished their June journal. Some ways that you can make some Happy Mail and send it, and it's kind of fun and pretty, and they can go ahead and take this all apart and use it. The journal has the ladies. This has the ladies. Your pocket would have the ladies and this, and then you can fix it however you want to. Those are the only pieces that are in it. And then I added some other files, other pieces that as we were going through we didn't use. So here's one of the postcards folded. Here's one of the postcards folded. Had to fold it a little different. And then we have this little envelope that we decorated, and inside of here are some of the little stamps cut out with the postal scissors. So I used a couple of these to make that the embellishment in the center. So just cut out with the postal scissors, ready to be a stamp or an embellishment, and it's in this cute embellished envelope. So all of those would be things that they might be able to use in a journal that they had coming up, or they might use it to decorate this journal and this and make it, some kind of keepsake for their own. So I'm going to go ahead and take a moment and show you some more of the kit. So for this project, I had them print the postcard pages, the large tags, and the wallet page and the mini ephemera page. And so that's what we used to put this little keeper together. And there we go. Okay, and so let me show you what we didn't use. So this is part of the mini ephemera, one of the mini ephemera pages. So we still have all that. So you have these, you can make a little mini journal. These are the tags made smaller. We did not use the shoe. So the shoe is the hint for the July party. Excuse me. It goes with this journal. I mean, it's the ladies. I did add some other ladies, but there's the shoe and these flowers are a big part of the kit, and it's really cool. So we made an envelope out of the jewelry page. So, and I think it turned out really cool. I really like the way it turned out. So it's a large jewelry page, and so we made that. So here's another one of the postcards. Here's another one of the tags. I cut one of the people from that. There's another image. Oh, these are the papers I used. This is the other piece, the ad that was on the jewelry page. So you could cut this out, put it in as a page in your journal if you were making the envelope. Okay, and so this is the other part of the kit. So you saw the large tags, I used them. I used the wallets, and I used some of the postcards. So these are the pages. You get the jewelry page and this one side by side. And you get this side by side, and then like a coffee dyed plain paper over on this side. And you get this one. And the coffee paper this time is on that page. And you get this one. So, and I think like she would be a great cover. So, and then you get this one that has two images of two ladies. This one. So this is the mini postcards. Okay, so it's the postcards 5x7. Okay, not true. I had to manipulate them a little bit to get them to fit on here and not have the body parts cut off. So there's that. And then these are the tags, the mini tags. So took the large tags, which you get 3. This is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and you get them like this on your large page. And here they are on a 5x7, and they make a really great size for a tag. So I decided to go ahead, and you can see there's 4 large tag files. So if you can imagine all those full page. Okay, so here is one of the mini journal kit pages. You get the postcards, the wallets, and one of the tags on this one. And then this one has the other 3 tags and the large jewelry page. Okay. This is another page from the mini journal kit. And it's the pages. Okay, so you get each of the pages. So yeah, so that's the mini journal kit right there, along with that and that. And then the mini ephemera kit goes with that. That's the one that that I had cut up. And then you get the 3 okay, so these are the large pages printed at 5x7, but again, they had to be manipulated. They don't transfer directly from the large 8x10 or 8.5x11 to the 5x7 without getting cut off. So I did it for you. Okay, so there are 21 files altogether. So you get pages, you get ephemera, you get tags. Your ephemera includes postcards and then the wallets, and then all of the mini stuff. So I think they are really going to be a lot of fun, and I hope you enjoyed that. This digital kit is available now in the Dear Julie Etsy shop, and like I said, it is on sale while we're home, safer at home, for 50% off. So I hope you'll check that out. And if you finished your July journal, you're going to get a kit that goes along with this, and really, really well. And I'm really excited. I will put the French Fashionista playlist up here. That's the journal that we made. I believe it was in February, but I'll put that up there. And then I will put a embellishment video from the French Fashionista over here. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Have an amazing day. Thanks for being here. Bye. Bye-bye.